I am looking a hot mess. I'm about to go work out, but we have a napping baby. So I'm just going to wait till she wakes up and then I'm going to go. I just wanted to jump on here and talk about something. I keep seeing this post popping around, floating around, and it's like, don't use these brands, they test on animals. And Mary Kay's on there. Now let me talk about Mary Kay and animal testing. So I actually did research on this to see, because I was like, animal testing in 2017? Girl, get your stuff together. So I went on my consultant website and I found this. It's in the frequently asked questions of Mary Kay. So I'm going to read it to you like a robot. Okay. So the question is, does Mary Kay conduct animal testing? Let me just scoop this in a little closer. So it says, Mary Kay is committed to the elimination of animal testing. We do not conduct animal testing on our products or ingredients, nor do we ask others to do so on our behalf, except when required by law. Regulation on cosmetics constantly change, but Mary Kay has never wavered from our commitment to use alternative testing methods. We understand that in China, under certain circumstances, some product categories and new ingredients must be submitted to the government for safety testing, which may include animal testing. We are obligated to follow the law, as we do in every country where we operate. But rest assured, our commitment to the elimination of animal testing has never changed or wavered. We are working with the Chinese government to demonstrate the alternative testing methods ensure safe and effective cosmetic products. For more than 2 decades, Mary Kay has been a global leader in helping develop alternative testing methods for product safety, and we stand by our commitment. None of the products you purchase in the United States has been tested on animals. So, if you want to be like literal, I guess, in the sense, Mary Kay has to conduct product testing on animals in China, where it's like the law. But in the United States, where I sell and I purchase, nothing has been tested on animals. They have to be included on that list because I guess it's a worldwide list. Go down. I guess it's like a worldwide list and you have to include it, but in America, where I sell and where I purchase my products that I sell to you guys, there's no animal testing. And I don't know. That just makes it different, I guess. Because they're only doing it because they're required and they're working with the government and they're like, dudes, come on. Come on, China, get with the program. So they're just following the law, but here there's no animal testing. So all of our products are all of the products I sell are cruelty free. All right. I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Mwah!